Alright, here we go, 4th graders. First off, good morning. I hope that you're having a good morning. I'm going to teach you how to take your graphic organizer and turn it into an actual paragraph. So how we use this thing. So I'm going to go New, Doc, and I'm going to title this just, for you, you would title it maybe something about your circuit or your circuit name. I'm just going to write then what I'm going to do, I'm going to go here in the middle, click that thing, get in the middle. Alright, football. Now what I do is I go over here, take my heading. Hopefully you remember the shortcut for copy, Control C. I'm going to go Control V. So there's my heading. I'm going to skip a space. Take my topic sentence. Same thing. Indent, because that's what you do with paragraph. There's my first sentence. So I'm going to look here. So I've got leather helmets. So I got to turn that into a sentence. So let's see. What can I say for leather helmets? I could say something like the first football helmets. I also don't want this to be bold. So if yours does that, do Control B, that will get it off bold. Heading can be bold, but we don't need the paragraph to. Detail 2 is 1892. That was the first game. So now I can say something like, in 1892. So you can see that I'm taking my details, just a word or two, and I'm turning them into sentences. So I'm going to do the same thing here with Walter Camp. And really, Walter Camp is known as the creator. Then I'm going to go to my next one. This is Harvard University. That was where they played the first game. I'm just going to insert that here after it says they played the first game. First So you can see that I have taken my heading, put it here, I've added a title, I copied and pasted my topic sentence, and then I just turned my details into sentences. So that's how you write an informational paragraph using a graphic